Very good afternoon, children. I am L.K. Tripathi here. Dear students, we have discussion about history, that is chapter 3. Again we are going to discuss. This is a part of our revision. Though we have already discussed about all these facts, but better for us to discuss again, repeat again and revise again. So we shall see tools. What types of tools were in practice those days in Neolithic period? During the Neolithic age, people began to produce polished and fine cutting tools. These tools were much sharper than those used in the Mesolithic period. The tools of the Neolithic age were designed to suit the need to grow and reap crops. Hence, people used tools such as axes, plows, sickles, and hoes to clear forests and harvest the crops. All such types of tools were used made of iron by the early people. To gain grains, they used a kind of rounded stone that resembled the mortar and pestle used today. Besides, they also made spindles and home needles. All such types of tools and instruments they made from iron. Some of the Paleolithic and Mesolithic tools continued to be used during the Neolithic age. Microliths, about which we have read in the previous chapter, were used in spears and arrows. These were made of basalt and flint tied to a piece of wood or bone for a firm grip. At sites such as Burjahom and Gufkral in Jammu and Kashmir, stone axes have been found in large number. Besides stone blades, stones, shells, chisels, etc. have also been found in the Deccan, North East and Chota Nagpur plateau. All these sites are there in India where different types of tools were found. Now, pottery. What was pottery? As farming increasingly became a popular practice and therefore expanded. फार्मिंग जो थी बहुत तेज़ी से जो है ये पॉपुलर होती गई, इसलिए जो है इसकी प्रैक्टिस जो है खेती करने की प्रैक्टिस इसका बढ़ता ही गया आगे. द नियोलिथिक पीपल फेल्ट द नीड टू स्टोर फूड ग्रेन्स दे प्रोड्यूस. अब इनके पास नियोलिथिक पीपल के पास था कि फूड ग्रेन्स को कैसे स्टोर किया जाए, कैसे इसको जो है रखा जाए कहाँ पर. These were also used for eating, drinking, cooking, etc. As a result, the craft of making pots, that is pottery, came into existence. Initially, the Neolithic people wove baskets out of wild grass, applied wet clay around the baskets and dried them in the sun. They used the basket to store surplus grains. Gradually, they learned to make clay vessels and bake it on fire. They also started grazing and decorating the pots. These pots could be used for storing milk or water. इन्वेंशन ऑफ द व्हील एंड कार्ट। व्हील और कार्ट का इन्वेंशन कैसे होता है? ये व्हील और कार्ट एक बहुत रिवोल्यूशनरी चेंज लाया। और इन्वेंशन ऑफ व्हील एंड कार्ट। द व्हील एंड कार्ट वेयर रिमार्केबल इन्वेंशंस of the Neolithic humans. It is possible that a log or a stone rolling downwards sparked off the idea of the wheel. In the beginning, the Neolithic people might have placed logs of wood beneath heavy objects in order to make them move easily. Subsequently, they might have started the practice of loading anything heavy on a sledge as it would be convenient to drag. This must have been followed by stages in which humans might have started loading the sledge over a log of wood and realized that heavy items could move faster. They might also have noticed that the edges of the sledge caused an indentation of the log surface. The Neolithic people might have observed that the indented surface made it possible for the sledge to move along smoothly and travel longer distance. So they might have cut the wood between the two marks of such indentation on logs of wood. Subsequently, they might have invented the cart by improving upon this technique. The wheel and cart made life easier. People could now travel from one place to another much faster than before. He could also easily transport heavy objects. The potter's wheel also came to be used that improved the process of making pots. Perhaps the wheel was also used in spinning thread, which led to weaving. Share the weaving. अब कम्युनिटी लाइफ देखते हैं. With the advent of agriculture, man settled down permanently and began to live in villages. A Neolithic village consisted of a few closely built houses surrounded by a common fence of a prickly bush or mud wall. During the Neolithic age, the concept of family became popular for the first time. The families living in the same Neolithic settlement were closely related. They shared the same custom, beliefs, and methods of worship. A group of families came to be called a tribe. Megaliths, disposal of the dead. The Neolithic people performed the practice of buying their dead, used rectangular blocks of stone, marked the burial places in the Neolithic people period. These are called megaliths, means large. The dead were buried along with many objects that they used during their lifetime. This shows that the Neolithic man believed in life after death. Cremation was also practiced. Chalcolithic age. In the Chalcolithic age, people began to use both stone and copper tools. Chalcolithic age is also known as the Copper Stone Age. This period was short but extremely important as it was a transition period for man from Stone Age to the age of metals. Copper was the first metal to be discovered. Copper tools were better than tools made from stone. In course of time, copper began to be mixed with other metals to form stronger metals. Social life. Early humans lived in groups. They also moved around in groups to protect themselves from wild animals. So, up to here we have discussed. Next discussion will be taking place in the next video. Much more about the social life of early man we will read in coming time. Till then, perform your activities. Given tasks must be fulfilled by you. Copies must be prepared. Also learn question answer so that you could get better result in coming examination and so on. That's all. Have a nice day.